Emergency Response Plan. Emergency response plans are the steps an organization will take during a critical event to ensure employees' safety and minimize the impact on critical operations. Purpose. The purpose of this section is providing emergency plan for orderly evacuation of employee in the event of any emergency arising out of the events mentioned in the section 3.0. Scope. Emergency plan shall be communicated to all staff and employees of the site. This is not covering any unforeseen incidents or events where the mentioned program is not enough to cover the risk. Objective. The main objective of emergency plan is to minimize the risk to men and machinery and rapidly control and contain the damage to minimum and reduce recurrences. The emergency can be fire and explosion, spillage of toxic chemicals and acid, total and serious power failure, serious accident situation causing fatality or multiple injuries to human life, natural calamities i.e. flood, earthquake, cyclone, medical emergencies like food poisoning, water poisoning, etc. Task and responsibilities is assigned to an incident commander or project in charge within an organization. In the event of emergency, IC shall be responsible for all decision made during emergency. He shall activate all departments and other important services for taking necessary action and helps as mentioned but not limited to. He shall inform top management to ensure smooth coordination of emergency activities and ensure that all works immediately stopped, all vehicles pulled to the side of the road, all machine and other sources of ignition is shut down. Administrative Manager. He shall be Incident Commander. The administrative manager shall maintain and coordinate communications during emergency and arrange for medical treatment of the victim. He shall mobilize additional manpower and arrange for other resources as necessary from time to time. Incident Coordinator or HSE Officer. The Incident Coordinator shall assume the key role in the emergency. His duty shall include directing emergency personnel and requirements, coordinating of the area of damage, ensure clearing of all emergencies exists to the assembly area, ensure that all the employees are familiar with location of alarm system, elevators, extinguishers and evacuation routes. All staff and employees. In case of emergencies, employees shall not provoke others to do anything which may cause potential harm or mislead others. When asked to evacuate, the employees must proceed to the assembly point outside the office building and report to the in charge of the head count. Drills. Emergency and evacuation drill shall be conducted at least once in 6 months. General emergency procedure. Where specific procedures may not have been established, judgment shall be used in determining the best course of action. Follow the guidelines for assistance. All emergencies are to be handled by the highest ranking person present, to be assisted by who may be available. The ranking person shall delegate responsibility for making emergency phone calls. The emergency phone numbers are to be placed at the reception. In all instances, the top management shall be notified immediately by phone. If accidents involving serious injury occur, follow these steps. Barricade the area. Provide necessary first aid. Immediately shift to nearest hospital. Inform in detail to top manager. Make full investigation and report.